Pursuant to advice from our HR policy people, I did not call an employee that expressed his concern for his work environment and resigned.
Well,
Judge,
he said he was
isn't it-
blindsided by this. He said he got the notice of the meeting on Monday. He never came up to him. It just happened out of the blue. So why all of a sudden did you feel, okay, I need to call this commission together?
I believe in performance reviews. The only mechanism for a performance review for this office is the Elections Commission. I wanted to make this clear to the county employees who are department heads that while I do believe in performance reviews, I'm not after any of you.
Has he been evaluated, though?
Well, let me ask you, it is
not been
common
evaluated.
practice. It is common practice in any company that most of us know about that when your performance is being reviewed, you're notified about that.
The only way we can determine if the committee had the desire to do the performance review is to meet as a body. It's a 5-person committee. I cannot, the person that does the performance review, as you said in a company, is the person who hires and fires. And so this...
You didn't even notify him about a performance review.
We did notify him about a performance review.
When did you do that?
But this wasn't a performance review because the only reason to call this commission together is to either hire or fire.
That is your interpretation. It is not our county attorney's interpretation or my interpretation. But you know, I wish Mr. Sherbet well in his endeavors. I thank him for his service to the county. I'm sorry y'all were kept late and the meeting ran long, and appreciate.
So he never got a performance review where you went over things that you might not have liked. He's been fired today.
He has not been fired today, Brad. He resigned in the media on Wednesday and gave us a resignation the following day, and I think my office has taken out a resignation letter.
Did you personally have concerns about the job he was doing?
I did express with Bruce some areas that I thought we should focus on. I think we are, well, I guess that those are personnel matters. So you know, and he has resigned. So I wish him well, and
They're personnel matters, but the public's going to want to know why you had issues with them. You can't just say, "Oh, I just had issues with them."
I understand the narrative that is out there, but again, I did not poll this, talk to anyone on this committee, and lobby anyone to fire Mr. Sherbet.
He did an interview with us and said he met with John Wiley Price. He did an Everett interview, but that John Wiley Price told him, "We think it's time for you to move on. You've been here long enough."
You have to ask Bruce and I'm sorry, Mr. Sherbet and Commissioner Price.
When did you have a talk with him?
A talk with Sherbet. I met with every department head and asked and told them my thoughts about ways we improve the departments and things I wanted to see. I'm not sure the date, but it was in December before taking office. It was set up by the court administrator. But again, the only way to do a performance, this was not the only way we can do a performance review is for the committee to do the performance review. I don't want anything about the way, and this has, you know, gone off the rails into some, you know, partisan, you know, stuff that was not intended in doing performance reviews. And I want the citizens to understand we're not doing them now in the county, and we need to start doing annual performance reviews of our county department heads, whether they be public works, elections, what have you.
Is this how you're going to do all the
This committee, because of Section 31 of the Elections Code, is the only department that can do, it's the only department that can hire and fire the person, so it's the person that should do the performance review. I intend to convene this committee each year, at least each year after you know, the 2010, 2012, 2014 elections. Thank you.